Hi, I am Sylvia, and today I am going to show you how to make a scale cake. I'm going to show you how to make scales. It's a very simple, very easy thing to do, so I hope you guys give it a try. So for this project, I have chosen frozen colors because I'm going to, at the end, decorate it with a frozen figure on top. And you need fondant, your choice of colors. I have purples and blues. You need powdered sugar, a small cookie cutter. This is about 1.5 inch cookie cutter, and a rolling pin. And that's it. We're gonna get started. All right, so I am going to start rolling out one of my colors. I have chosen 4 colors because I wanted to be dark blue and light blue and a darker pink and a lighter, purple. So, but you guys can do whatever you want. If you want it all to be the same color, that also looks really nice. So what I'm gonna start doing, I'm going to start rolling out my fondant and I'm gonna start cutting a whole lot of these circles. And then I'm gonna grab them and start gluing them on my cake. So I have all of these cut out and ready. So now I'm just gonna start putting them on. I have covered my cake with Swiss meringue buttercream. So now these are gonna stick nicely. So the only thing you have to be very careful about is that try to stay in a straight line. That's gonna be the most challenging part of this project. So let's do it. Okay, now we have a choice. We can either keep going and keep going and moving on all the way to the center, but I don't want to do that because I'm going to have characters on top. I'm going to have a flat piece of fondant covering the top. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to cut my circles in half so I can finish this part. And also I will put a little bit of edible glue, water, something sticky, royal icing, whatever you have, or even more buttercream to stick these, because since we don't have a lot of buttercream left, then it might be a little challenging for them to stick. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so the next part, I'm going to make the top of my cake. So I'm going to roll out my light frozen blue. I have an 8-round piece of cardboard and I'm going to use that to cut the circle, and then I'm going to put it on top. Okay, this is it. I covered the top with a light blue fondant, and now it is ready for me to decorate. If you want, you can put real toys on top and it would look really cute, or you can stay tuned for the next video and I will show you how to make a little Elsa figurine edible for for the cake topper. I'm probably gonna add somebody else, so if you want to suggest who you would like to see on the cake on top with Elsa, please leave me a message and I'll try to make it happen. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.